What you should know about anal bleaching. Anal bleaching is a concept that has been around for a long time and is growing more popular as women and men become more conscious of and comfortable with their bodies. Wikipedia, believe it or not, has an entire page dedicated to the subject. People are grooming their private areas more than ever before, which makes the difference in skin color even more noticeable. What's the deal with my anus being so dark? The darkening of the anus has nothing to do with lack of hygiene, contrary to popular belief. It's a common occurrence that affects practically everyone. The color of your skin has a lot to do with how noticeable it is. Darker skin can be found in many places where the skin folds, such as the anus, vagina, or penis scrotum, underarms, inner thighs, buttocks, and knees, among people with olive or darker complexion. Subscribe to our YouTube channel African Genes on Fleek. Let's get started. Welcome to the world of African Genes on Fleek. This YouTube channel is for educational purposes, it promotes health and well-being, and it motivates Black individuals from over the world via their magnificent work of diverse arts. This channel is for everyone. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover, and we'll be pleased to upload them. Please remember to subscribe, click the bell button, like, and leave a comment. Anal bleaching. Everything you need to know. What exactly is it? Anal bleaching is a procedure that lightens the skin surrounding the anus. Chemical peels or creams are one popular approach for breaking down melanin, the skin's natural pigments. These products may also help to lower the amount of melanin-producing cells in the area surrounding your anus. Another frequent treatment is laser therapy. Lasers can remove extra melanin and limit the production of pigment. Please keep in mind that neither of these methods uses actual bleach. Bleach should not be used on your skin. This can create undue injury as well as long-term issues. What's the goal of it all? The flesh around your anus and between your butt cheeks is usually darker than your natural skin color. Friction, hormonal fluctuations, and excess pigment can all cause this. Bleaching is a technique for temporarily brightening this area. It can make the color surrounding the anus more consistent with the rest of the body. Some people find that this makes them more self-assured about their appearance. Keep in mind that darker skin around the anus is common and should not be a cause for concern. Is it secure? When done correctly, anal bleaching is completely safe. Infections, skin damage, and permanent skin discoloration can result from improper anal bleaching techniques and the use of unauthorized goods. Is it painful? It's possible that anal bleaching will be uncomfortable, but it won't be painful. Light stinging or burning may occur while using topical lightening treatments. Procedures for laser anal bleaching may be more painful. When a laser hits the skin, it can make a small pop or hurt. To alleviate discomfort, most technicians will use a light numbing cream. As the skin regains sensation, you may experience mild burning or discomfort. Anti-inflammatory medications, which are available over the counter, can help lessen sensitivity. How does it make you feel? According to anecdotal evidence, both topical and laser bleaching are unlikely to be painful. It all comes down to the operation you choose, the technician's ability, and your overall discomfort tolerance. When using topical treatments, some persons may suffer slight stinging or burning when applying the lightening agent. Others may be unaffected. Laser anal bleaching is the same way. As the laser reaches the skin, some people experience momentary bolts or pings. You may feel a tiny pressure or nothing at all when the laser touches the skin if the technician uses a skin-numbing lotion. You might find the surprisingly brief experience bearable and more comfortable than you anticipated. Are there any risks or adverse effects? There are certain hazards and negative effects to both at-home and professional anal bleaching treatments. The following are some of the dangers of at-home anal bleaching treatments. The application is incorrect. You may use too much product or apply it incorrectly. This raises the possibility of the product getting too close to your genitals or into your rectum. Damage that is permanent. Improper application of some cosmetics can result in skin injury, scarring, and permanent discoloration. Anal stenosis. You may develop anal strictures or scar tissue around the rectum if anal bleaching agents go into the rectum. This can make it difficult for the anus to stretch correctly during a bowel movement. Constipation and soreness can result as a result of this. Professional anal bleaching procedures have the following risks: damage to the skin. When administered, the substances may be stronger and more likely to induce negative effects. Incorrect method. If a technician isn't adequately trained, the product may be applied wrongly. As a result, you may get scarring, burning, or irreversible skin damage. Damage caused by lasers. If a laser is utilized inappropriately, it might cause skin harm. Is it possible to do it at home? Yes, you can bleach your anals at home. You should, however, be certain that you're using trusted products. Because certain skin lightening products aren't well regulated, it's possible that you won't know what's in them. This is particularly true of products made outside the United States. Look for kojic acid in peels, creams, and gels. Another skin bleaching agent, hydroquinone, has been mainly supplanted by this exfoliating chemical. Should you seek medical advice? While it is feasible to do it yourself, estheticians and other professionals have access to higher quality materials that provide consistent results. These experts are also skilled in the application of bleaching agents. This lowers your chances of experiencing negative side effects. You'll pay more for expert care, but you'll have the assurance that the process is done correctly. Both topical and laser anal whitening procedures may be available at spas, salons, and plastic surgery facilities. Dermatologists may also be involved. What color should you anticipate? The color of your skin after anal bleaching is determined by your natural skin tone. Anal bleaching will only brighten the skin surrounding your anus by a couple of shades. Pink isn't always possible to achieve. It takes longer for at-home therapies to provide a clear result. This is due to the fact that the products aren't as durable. Professional treatments may yield more noticeable benefits in as little as one session. Are the outcomes long-term? For long-term results, you'll need to keep bleaching your skin. Walking, running, and sweating are all activities that produce friction. Friction causes skin pigmentation to grow. You may require touch-ups every 6 months if you opt to try laser bleaching. Topical therapies may not last as long as oral medications. Over-the-counter products are unlikely to have the same impact as professional-grade treatments. How to locate a service provider? Consult a doctor or dermatologist before looking for a specialist. They may want to make sure the black skin isn't the result of a medical condition. They may also be able to refer you to a trustworthy and safe practitioner. Many salons and spas have estheticians that are trained in anal bleaching. A number of dermatologists. Plastic surgery centers may also be a wonderful place to look for an anal bleaching specialist. How to get ready for your meeting? Keep the following procedures in mind before your appointment. Do not engage in sexual activity. For at least 3 days before your appointment, avoid anal or vaginal intercourse. Friction can cause little tears, which can cause discomfort and other negative effects. Hair removal should be avoided. Hair removal methods such as shaving, waxing, and other methods might irritate the skin surrounding your anus. This could make bleaching more unpleasant. Sweaty activities should be avoided. Running and hot yoga are two hobbies that cause your anus to sweat and rub together. This may reduce the effectiveness of the treatment. Leave the thong at home. Tight underwear, such as a thong, can cause friction to rise. Cutting down on friction can help you avoid developing sensitivity. Shower and lightly clean around your anus on the day of your visit. Wear loose-fitting underwear and clothing. This can assist the anus in breathing and healing without causing friction. What to expect at your consultation? The technician will ask you to remove your underwear and lie down on your back when you arrive for your session. Your provider will administer the topical treatment or execute the laser treatment when your skin is ready. Following the treatment, you may be advised to lie down for some minutes. What to expect from maintenance and aftercare? After your session, you should wait at least 3 days before engaging in sexual activity. If you have any sensitivity or discomfort, you may need to abstain for a longer period of time. Your healthcare professional will be able to advise you on your specific circumstances. A lotion, cream, or gel to apply to the bleached area will most likely be sent home with you. This can aid in the reduction of inflammation. It may also aid in the prevention of infection. You may be asked to roll your legs to one side, so the technician may easily reach the skin around your anus. The skin will then be cleaned and dried. They may also use a skin-numbing ointment if you're having a laser anal bleaching procedure. The affected area becomes inflamed, you acquire a fever after experiencing anal discharge. Last but not least, when done appropriately, anal bleaching is completely safe. Consult a doctor or dermatologist if you're interested. They can look for underlying problems that could be causing the pigmentation. They may be able to propose a trustworthy product or technicians to assist you achieve your bleaching aims if there are no underlying concerns. Thank you for watching African Genes on Fleek. We hope you enjoyed today's topic. Please remember to subscribe, click the notification bell, like, and comment.